Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Max and today I'm sat in a Porsche Panamera, about a 2010 year, and we have installed the KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. So without further ado, let me grab the key. I'm going to pop the keys in the ignition and give you a little show on what this system looks like fitted into this vehicle. Now, I actually think it looks really nice. We got a little Porsche boot up logo, which just helps integrate it into the car nicer. Let's turn that down a bit. I can use the factory steering wheel controls to turn down the music. We actually keep the steering wheel controls working for adjusting the volume, picking up the phone, hanging up the phone. Also, there's a factory reverse camera on this vehicle, which we also keep working for reversing and parking sensors. So anyway, this head unit, it has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, it's got DAB, which are all features the customer didn't have before on this particular vehicle, and this KENWOOD now brings him up to date with all of them, which gives him everything he needs to drive and enjoy this car. So, giving you a little nose around the KENWOOD system. Now it just kicks into Apple CarPlay automatically. I've already connected my phone up to it once, hence why it's all booted up into it. This is the home screen. You got your Apple CarPlay, which will pretty much connect you straight away. Really nice, easy to use, capacitive display, nice and light to the finger touch, so it's quite easy to use. All your favourite streaming platforms like Tidal, Spotify, Apple Music, Mixcloud, SoundCloud. I use Tidal personally. It's a little bit slower on Apple CarPlay out of all of those options, but it's got the best sound quality is what we are big on here. But yeah, Apple CarPlay, if it doesn't need an introduction to you, it works just like any other car that you have. Now, digital radio, DAB, we actually add a little aerial to get DAB in this vehicle, so there's a little aerial just mounted on the window. You really hardly notice that once you're looking at the front of the car. In that little corner there's a little DAB antenna, but that is what allows you to pick up all the DAB channels. So if you want to listen to DAB, you can find that inside this part of the radio. You can hit your search icon here and you just scroll up and down. So you want a little bit of magic radio, click onto it, it will start playing in a second, or it might not, because maybe we're not getting very good signal of that one. Two sound a bit different. And we got a bit of heart dance playing. So let's just say I wanted to save this. Simply slide that over, pick a station I want to save it in, and hold it down. Just like that. That's how you save a DAB station. So DAB works great on this, very nice and easy to use. If you've got Android Auto, it will connect up in the same way, just hooks up as you jump in the car. Now this car has a factory reverse camera, so I can give you a little show on what that looks like. I've got the car on now, which is what I was just doing, and if I stick it into reverse, which is that one, put it into reverse, car's in reverse, showing the image. Also, guidelines still do their thing, and then when you come out of reverse into drive, you get a bit of parking sensor information. The overlay looks a little bit different now as we've gone from original to aftermarket, but as you drive off, that will come out and go back to your CarPlay or wherever you was previously. But yeah, real nice install. Microphone is quite subtle, it's just up here, you can just about see that. It literally is hardly noticeable, but you need that to get decent phone calls. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this brief video. This is Max, this is John Kleis Car Audio. If you've got a vehicle, whether it be a Porsche or any other vehicle for that matter, we don't shy away from any vehicle here, please get in contact with us and we can create an Apple CarPlay solution for you. This car is potentially coming back for some speakers to be done on that, so possibly we'll see it again and we'll upgrade the speakers, because wants a bit of an improvement over the Bose system. Yes, we do that. Thanks for watching, take care now, and goodbye. Take care, thanks for watching.